Imagine a world where machines understand us, adapt to our needs, even outsmart us. This may sound like an excerpt from a science fiction novel, but it's not. This is the world of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI has evolved from basic chess-playing algorithms to autonomous vehicles, and is now advancing towards a future with sentient and empathetic machines. This evolution isn't only revolutionizing technology, but it's also reshaping us as a society. Come join us as we delve into the 5 developmental stages of AI. Our exploration begins with the earliest stage of AI, reactive machines. These systems represent the most basic level of AI, responding to specific inputs with predefined outputs. They lack the capability to retain memories or use previous experiences to guide future actions. An iconic illustration of this stage is IBM's Deep Blue, an AI program designed for chess, making strategic decisions based on the current board configuration. Reactive machine AI has fascinated the world with its capacity to adjust and respond to fluctuating circumstances. Despite their impressive real-time decision-making capabilities, it's crucial to understand the constraints of reactive machine AI. These systems excel at immediate responses but can falter in predictive or long-term decision-making due to their lack of contextual understanding. This is where we advance to the second stage, limited memory AI. The essence of limited memory AI lies in its ability to learn from historical data and past experiences and apply that learning to future decision-making. Unlike simple reactive machines, which can only respond to immediate stimuli based on predefined rules, limited memory AI can change its behavior based on the data it has collected over time. It's like the difference between an automated door that opens whenever it detects a person and a smart home system that learns your daily routine and adjusts the lighting and temperature accordingly. This form of AI is widely used in applications we interact with daily. Think of chatbots learning from past interactions, recommendation algorithms on shopping websites or streaming platforms that recall your browsing history, and of course, the self-driving cars that remember traffic patterns and road conditions. These AI systems enhance their decision-making capabilities by drawing on past experiences and recognizing patterns. However, it's essential to note that limited memory means just that. These AI systems do not possess long-term memory akin to humans. They retain information only for a specific duration, or until it serves its purpose, then discard it to make way for new data. This may sound limiting, but in many cases, it's both practical and desirable. For instance, it allows the AI system to continually adapt to changing circumstances without being bogged down by outdated or irrelevant information. And from a privacy perspective, it ensures that AI doesn't retain personal data any longer than necessary. Now we fast forward to the still unrealized Stage 3, Theory of Mind AI. These machines, though still in their conceptual phase, are anticipated to comprehend, interpret, and respond to our emotions and thoughts. They will have their own beliefs and be capable of social interactions. Yet the complexity of human cognition may pose difficulties for machines in accurately inferring mental states, leading to possible misunderstandings or misinterpretations. How accurate can these machines be? Will they fully comprehend the intricate complexities of the human mind? That's still a topic of debate. On to our fourth stage, self-awareness AI. Imagine, if you will, an AI that can not only recognize and interpret data from the outside world, but also reflect upon its own internal states, actions, and decision-making process. This AI, like a human, would be capable of introspection, adjusting its behavior based on its self-evaluation, and responding to new situations based on past experiences. This would be akin to an AI evolving from a humble chess-playing machine that can calculate millions of moves ahead, but doesn't understand the concept of a game, to an AI that recognizes it's playing chess, knows the purpose of the game, and understands its role as a player in the game. It might even strategize about psychological warfare with its human opponent, predicting and manipulating the opponent's emotional state to its advantage. Researchers are striving to develop AI systems with similar self-awareness. Just as the transformation of AI from a programmed machine to a learning entity, with machine learning and deep learning, was a paradigm shift, the leap from task-specific AI to self-aware AI would represent a new era, where AI could make more nuanced and holistic decisions, potentially revolutionizing fields like healthcare, transportation, entertainment, and more. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The development of self-aware AI presents ethical and safety challenges, as we need to ensure that AI behaviors align with human values and societal norms. Ensuring that self-aware AI benefits humanity without causing harm is a topic that necessitates serious contemplation and discussion. Lastly, we reach the pinnacle: superintelligence. Superintelligence, as a concept, is both fascinating and daunting, akin to glimpsing into the depths of a cosmic black hole. Unfathomable, yet profoundly influential. To put it simply, a superintelligent AI refers to an artificial intelligence that surpasses the brightest and most gifted human minds in practically all economically valuable fields, be it scientific creativity, general wisdom, or social skills. It is not just about an AI that can beat humans at chess or Go, but one that could potentially outpace the combined intellectual prowess of all human beings. Visualize, if you will, a scenario where an AI can conduct groundbreaking scientific research, develop complex financial strategies, write captivating novels, or compose symphonies that tug at our heartstrings, all at a speed and scale that dwarf human capabilities. Getting to superintelligence is not just a question of progression, like going from a bicycle to a car to a jet plane. It's more like trying to reach another galaxy. It's not just about speed or scale, but about fundamental breakthroughs in AI capabilities. These could involve major advances in machine learning, incorporating aspects of human intelligence like emotional intelligence and common sense reasoning, and developing AI that can understand and build upon a wide range of human knowledge. The path towards superintelligence also sparks fascinating philosophical and ethical questions. What would it mean for our society if machines surpass human intelligence? How can we ensure these superintelligent entities align with human values and don't pose existential risks? Many researchers, scientists, and thinkers are deeply engaged in these questions. Efforts to achieve superintelligence are accompanied by a strong emphasis on AI safety research, ethical considerations, and robust mechanisms to prevent misuse. The pursuit of superintelligent AI is a gripping voyage, like a space odyssey into the universe of intelligence. As we venture into this largely uncharted territory, we face opportunities to profoundly reshape our world, along with challenges that require us to think deeply about our values, our future, and the essence of intelligence itself. Ensuring the alignment of superintelligent AI's objectives with human values is crucial, as the ramifications of a misaligned superintelligence could be catastrophic. We stand at an exciting crossroads of technological advancement, and only time will tell how the tale of self-aware, intelligent AI unfolds. AI is here, and it's reshaping our world in ways we couldn't have imagined. Stick around as we continue to delve into the fascinating domain of artificial intelligence. What do you believe the future of AI holds? If you found this video engaging, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow AI enthusiasts. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our future updates. Thank you for tuning in.